Hello everyone, welcome back. This is your host Sleepy Bull in another episode of Wave Watch, and I'm back with another one. This time I'm going to be talking about the total 2 cryptocurrency market cap and the turning point of Wave B. And you know, just I guess the early beginnings of the trend change. As you all know, if you've been watching these videos, you know that these are my wave 5 counts, 1 2 3 4 5, and I have been counting a wave A down, wave B up, and wave C down somewhere in this vicinity, and I'm expecting this trend to change here. So a very interesting thing has emerged after watching and just looking at the charts, and it's this here that I noticed on the 2-week chart. Do you see it? I'll give you 1 second. That's right, that's the doji, the gravestone doji on the 2-week. And we don't have one, we have one, and then we have another doji, just a regular one, that's 2. And we have a gravestone doji here, that's 3, and then this is a 4th one. Well, you can argue it might not be, but this is classic trend change signals. As you can see, there was a doji here, change of trend. This is a bearish engulfing, but let's see where else can we find dojis. Big old doji here, trend change. So yeah, that's what we're expecting, guys. And you know, looking at some fundamental technical analysis, we don't have to go into the Elliot waves here much. You guys are pretty sure you guys are aware of the Elliot waves. Right now, on Elliot waves, I'm looking at a wave 1 down, very similar to the ETH chart, wave 2 up, and we're in the middle of wave 3. So we should see a very fast impulsive move. This is wave 1 of 3. This is wave 3 of 3. So this was the sharp move down. This is a wave 4 pullback. Wave 4 is a sideways correction, as you see there. Let me show you guys here with the Fibonacci's. This is a sideways correction, and we've gone up to on the sideways correction, we've gone up to the 702, it looks like. We got rejected off the 702. Actually, no, 786, where we went a little bit above it. We rejected off the 786. There you go. There you go. Slightly there. Yep. Let me just move this down a little. Move this down here. Yeah, 786. Yeah, I think it was a 702. Let's check again. Yeah, there you go. Rejected off the 702. So there you have it, folks. That is your ABC wave 4 wave. Well, it's this wave 4 really. Now you're expecting the final 5th wave down, which should be this here, for a wave 3. And then we expect a back test wave 4 here for a final wave 5 down on support somewhere around here. And that, my friends, will be the basis for your A wave down. A, B, C. Let's change this here. Yeah, let's just make this primary. It doesn't have to be all crazy. Yep, there you go. There you have it. That's your basis for your A wave. But what I really wanted to focus on is this red line here, this trend line. This was the, if you consider this a bull market, because let me just give a little rant here. No new all-time highs. What bull market? Well, what is this? A bull market for ants? It's Derek Zoolander reference. But yeah, there's no bull market. If the trend changes and we drop, yeah, it's no bull market. Yeah, we've back tested this uptrend. This is where the money was made, and we broke it, back tested it, rejected it. Looks like we're back testing again. I don't think we'll reclaim it, and if we do, I'll let you guys know. But also to note, we have a pattern here. This is called the ascending broadening wedge, and usually the length of the wedge is played out to the downside. This gives us a projection of 400 billion, aka we're going to go back to the lows, and I think that's going to be the bottom. As you see where the red line is, that's the wave 4 low. So yeah, that's where I'm at with the wave count here. We have a or W, X, and then Y wave down. So we could either reach here or somewhere down here. But we'll see. I mean, I know initially I expected somewhere here, but like I said, we'll see. Just for reference, this total to the max drop is somewhere in this vicinity. That's the max drop for this 5-wave, for this 3-wave corrective pattern against the macro scale. Again, like I said before, this is a macro 3-wave corrective pattern. Let me see if I can do some time scales on this just to give you guys an idea of what I'm talking about here. If this is 10 years, you could expect the scale or the bottom to be roughly April 2026. 618. Worst case. $382, best case, July 2024. That's the bottom, quote unquote. And that's not likely. That's not likely. So I do expect April 2026 to be the bottom. Well, that's it for me, folks. Now you know my projections. The main reason why I came on here is to just caution and warn that this total to, let me just zoom in here. Is back testing the red line. We're back testing. We broke we jumped up across it, dropped down below, back tested it, printed a doji. If we look at the EMAs, yeah, we just had a bear cross on the 20 and 50. If we lose the 100, watch out. When was the last time we had a bear cross of the 20 and 50? We had some here. This was a sideways jog. A sideways chop, I mean. We lost the 20 and 50 here on this uptrend. That was the signal. That was at the, no, that was here. This is the 100. That's the 2050 crossover. That was your early warning sign, right? here as well. 20 and 50, that was your early warning sign for the drop to come. All right, luckily we held the 200 in this one, and you know, everything went great. But yeah, we have our early warning sign. The 20 and the 50 crossed. So there you have it, folks. Caution. Sleepy bull out.